Everybody, Happy New Year 2024. Clovis here with UNAS Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about stack. A stack is a construct similar to array lists or queue, but the stack goes with the principle like last in, first out, opposed to the queue, which is first in, first out. So LIFO versus FIFO. So we know already we create an array list like this. We do array list, type of the value is gonna take in the name of our array list. Like right now it's number lists, and we do new array list, type of the value is gonna contain patati patata. And so if we want to create a stack, we're gonna do the same, but we're gonna just remove, instead of having array list, we're gonna just replace it with stack. So it's complaining now because we didn't import the class yet. So to import the class, you can just put it here. It's gonna over the name, and then you select import. And we can do also the same for the stack. So since we don't need array list here, we're gonna comment it. So we're focusing today about stack. So there is a lot of things about stack, but if you can at least remember about what you can do with the stack is how to add value and remove values. So let's see how we add values with the stack. So we're gonna uncomment this and see how to add values. Eventually we use add method, kind of similar with an array list. But there's also another way to add values. People, they use push. So let's run and then see what's gonna happen, and then we're gonna explain. So we add like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're printing the stack. So when we're printing the stack, it's gonna print up whatever we have in the stack. Since we added 1, 2, 3, 4, then that's why we're seeing the console here 1, 2, 3, 4. Eventually, for that message will said system print now adding with add method, which is coming straight before calling in line 22 to print the stack. So that's why we're having these two. So as I said, we have two different ways to add value in the stack. So let me remove this. Somehow it's giving me a second one, so let's remove it manually. Then we're gonna see. So right here we're using a push method, like especially like here, line 27 and 29. So we're gonna push 5 and 6. We already have those 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's push 5 and 6. Let's see if we're gonna have the similar. If we're gonna also have 5 and 6 in the stack when we're gonna print it. So let's run it, and then we're gonna see. You can see right here, this is what we did before, and this is what we did just now. So adding with a push method. So you can see the stack right now is having 5 and 6, right? So yeah, we can add also with push as we can add with add. So let's see how we can remove value from the stack. Eventually we use pop, right? We use pop. Pop is like we did with a queue, right? You can use pop to remove the first value of a queue. The first value that you added in the queue, but in the stack, pop actually remove the last value in the stack. Let's say, since the stack right now we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. So if we pop the stack, it means when we're gonna check the stack again, we won't see 6. So let's do something first. We gotta see what pop does. So we're gonna add this in system printout, right? So that we can see what pop is doing. So let's run it and observe. So you can see remove top value 6. What this 6 is coming from? Eventually it's coming here with the pop, because pop return whatever that was in the top of the stack. So it's removing a 6, and right here we're checking what's left in the stack. So you can see we have just 1 2 3 4 5. So this is how pop work for the stack. So there is also a way to check, just checking the top value without removing it. I think you can guess it's peak. So we have peak here. Let's uncomment this, and there we go. Let's do it. Now you're gonna see what's happening. So let's bring it up here. You can see we remove the top value here 6. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5. We're checking the top value, which is a peak right here, right? Land 45, that gives us 5, right? And then we're printing again the stack. So you can see the stack has 5 because you're just checking with peak. But when you use pop from here, right, it's removing 6 in the stack, and then the stack that will not have 6 anymore. Thanks for watching this video. That was all, at least all about stack. Not all everything, but all you have to know at least. Thank you. Subscribe, comment, like. Have a nice one.